Hello everyone, for this week's magic card trick tutorial, I'm going to do a 2.0 version of the Devil's Elevator. Now last week I posted a tutorial on just the regular Devil's Elevator that used face up method, and some people were worried about doing an Elmsley count with face up cards. Worried that spectators will notice the Elmsley count, so I'm going to do a method that's just using face down cards when you're performing the Devil's Elevator. So this is a Devil's Elevator 2.0. Now the Devil's Elevator is 4 black cards. And if you put a corresponding spot card, that number of cards down from the top of the Devil's Elevator, this card will come to the top. So for example, the ace would be 1, the 2 would be 2, the 3 would be 3, and the 4 would be 4. These are the travelers. And so I'll take the 4, the 3, the 2, and the 1, the ace, place the ace 1 card down in the Devil's Elevator. And this is very important. You have to push the elevator button, wait 1, and then the ace will come to the top, okay? If you take the 2, place the 2 cards down from the top. Very important, push the elevator button. The 2 comes to the top. Now I know what you're thinking. You might be using more than 4 cards. 4 is all that's used for this trick. There's only 4 cards, 4 black cards in the Devil's Elevator. So if you take the 3 cards down, push the elevator button, very important. Wait, 1, 2, 3. The 3 comes to the top, okay? So you might be thinking, I know again that you're using more than 4 cards. 1, 2, 3, 4 cards is all that's used in this trick. So the last traveler, the 4, place the 4 cards down from the top. Very important, push the elevator button, wait, 1, 2, 3, 4, and the 4 comes to the top. And that's the Devil's Elevator 2.0. Now before I show you how to do it, please as always like and subscribe to this channel and this video. I really appreciate it. I also like to give a shout out to my channel members. I really appreciate you guys, and if you're looking to support this channel through the YouTube channel membership program, you can do that all in the links below.
Also, visit thebestmagicshop.com for some awesome magic tricks and gimmicks. You can also sign up for a newsletter to be notified of new tricks, discounts, and more. All at thebestmagicshop.com.
Okay, Devil's Elevator 2.0 is just, some people didn't like doing a face-up Elmsley where you're showing the same card twice. I get it, that does happen. So we'll just do Elmsley's face down so it doesn't look like you're, doing too much of, funny moves, I guess. So the Devil's Elevator, you have 4 any spot black cards, and then, ace, 2, 3, 4 of any suit you want. I'm using diamonds for this one because it's a 2.0 version. Have your cards set up so they are 4, 3, 2, 1, and 4 black cards like this. You can just pull them out of the deck, get them to this, show 4 and 4. 4 red, 4 black, show both sides. They're just regular cards. Now when you square up the cards, get a break underneath the first black card, so you're squaring up a total of 5 cards, so the 4 reds and 1 black card. Square them up, turn the black cards over, place them on the table. You say that the spectator thinks that that's 4 face down black cards. It's really 3 face down black cards. You have this in your hand. Explain about the Devil's Elevator with the 1 spot, the ace being the 1, the 2 being a 2, the 3 being a 3, and just the 4 being a 4. This is actually 2 cards. This is my left hand, this is my right hand, so this is 2. You're just showing it as 1. Square these cards back up, say these are the travelers, turn them face down, and put the first card here, say that that's a 4, say that that's a 3, say that that's a 2, and this you show as being the ace, but you actually have 2 cards here, the ace and the 2, okay? Show it as 1, place it on top of here. Pick all these cards up. Now you say, I'm gonna take the ace, put it 1 card down, and that's what you're doing. You're putting 1 card down, which is actually the 2, okay? Down, square up the cards, explain about the button, very important. Turn the ace over, that's the first traveler. Come to the top. Repeat this with the 2. Now you're saying it's a 2, it's actually a 3. You're placing it right in the middle, 2 cards down, square them up, push the elevator button, turn this card over, it's the 2. Now, this is, because you're doing a face down version, you say to the spectator, you're probably thinking I'm using more than 4 cards. Do a spread where you pull the top card with your thumb, the bottom card with your left pointer finger, and the middle card with your middle finger here. So you're just doing a spread showing that you have 4 cards, which is all that you have here is 4, but take this card that's second from the top, remove it, and place it on the top, okay? That'll get you the 3 on top. So when you say, now we'll take the 3 which is actually the 4, place it 3 cards down from the top, push the elevator button, your 3 is now on top. Now you have to do an Elmsley move and a reverse count. So the Elmsley is taking 1 card here, pushing 2 cards off with your left hand, this is 2 cards, grabbing the 2 cards, replacing that first card back on the bottom of the stack, taking this 3rd card, and then taking this 4th card. That just gets you to a position where now if you reverse count the cards, 1, 2, 3, 4, you'll now have the 4 on top. So when you take this card, which is actually a black card, place it on the bottom, push the elevator button, then the 4 comes to the top, and now you can show that these are just the 4 black cards. Okay, so that's just a Devil's Elevator 2.0 version that you can show face down, just because some people just don't like to do an Elmsley count like I showed in the previous version of the Devil's Elevator, the standard version, where you have to do an Elmsley count with face-up cards, and people are like, well, you showed the same card twice, which you do, understandably. So that's it for today. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. I do respond to comments. And make sure you have that bell notified and are subscribed, because I do post new tutorials every week, usually on Wednesdays in the morning. So if you have that bell notified, it'll tell you when there's a new tutorial available. Okay, so I hope you enjoy it, and until next time.